Welcome to another informative help video from Smart All-in-One Calculator. Today, let's learn how to use the premium presentation Jeevan Umang Single Life properly. Let's open the premium presentation Jeevan Umang Single Life presentation. Jeevan Umang Single Life presentation is intended to help you to create professional looking presentations with several customization options. Let's have a look at the features one by one. First, we have to give the basic details like name, age, etc. in the required fields. Allowed premium paying term will get automatically populated in the drop-down menu. Select the required term. Three options are available to select the purchase amount of the policy. The first option is to give the income required after the premium paying term. You may be knowing that Jeevan Umang is a unique plan which provides guaranteed lifelong income or survival benefit at the rate of 8% of the sum assured. Another option is to provide the sum assured directly. You can also provide the desired yearly, half yearly, quarterly, monthly, or daily premium to get sum assured. One innovative option introduced in the presentation is to select the maturity age of the plan. By default, the maturity of Jeevan Umang plan is at 100 years of age, but many people will feel that it is a very long period, especially younger people. For them, we can select a lower maturity age from the drop-down menu. Regarding the bonus projection method, this presentation provides three methods to do the projection. First option is to do the benefit calculations based on already declared bonus rates and final addition bonus which is not yet declared based on the benefit illustration provided by LIC as per 8% gross investment return scenario. Second option is to calculate all the benefits based on the benefit illustration 8% scenario for both bonus and FAB. The third option is to do the calculations based on already declared bonus rates and final additional bonus rates based on FAB rates for endowment group of plans. An option to edit bonus rates shown is also provided for advanced users. An option to edit the ADDB or AB sum assured is also available in this presentation. The images for the presentations can be customized easily. The pictures will automatically change based on the age and gender selected if you are using the default option. You can change the images to any of the pre-uploaded images. Further to add, you can use any image or brochure to the reports using Add Custom Image option. Check the Add Custom Image checkbox and you will get an option to upload your own custom image. Let's create a presentation for Mr. Thomas having age 30, income option is selected and rupees 2 lakh lifelong income is provided. Click on Calculate button to show the presentation. This advanced presentation can provide an in-depth information sufficient to impress your client and get a positive response towards closing the sale. As you can see, this presentation uses a fully customizable and modular design. Each part of the presentation is created as separate modules which can be hidden or shown according to the requirements. The modules hidden will not be displayed in the PDF reports generated for sharing. Two types of benefit tables are provided in this presentation. First, basic table and second, advanced table. The basic table provides all the basic benefits of the plan, whereas the advanced table provides cumulative benefits and payments at any point of time. For example, let's consider customer's 50th age. The total premium paid is 30,64,089 rupees. The cumulative amount received as survival benefits till 50 years of age is 12 lakh rupees. 46,64,250 is the cash value available at the age of 50 years. So the total benefit available if the customer decides to surrender the plan will be the sum total of these two amounts and will come to 58 lakhs 64,250. A graphical representation of the benefits is also provided to get a better understanding of the plan. A paid-up benefit illustration is provided to get the benefits if the premium payment is stopped before the premium paying term. The detailed chart will provide bonus benefits, final additional bonus, benefits and lifelong income benefits available for paid-up policies. You can also create specialized presentations by opting for limited payment options as provided in the paid-up benefit illustration. Here I have explained some important features of premium presentation Jeevan Umang Single Life. Along with the features mentioned here, the presentation has several more features which are not explained here. Further to add, we are also improving the presentations based on feedbacks we receive from our valuable customers like you. Feel free to give your suggestions to our WhatsApp support number provided in the main page. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when new help videos are released.